In today's world, it feels like everything is becoming smart, from phones to watches to your kitchen appliances and your basement appliances. Water bottles are no exception. Meet the HidrateSpark Steel. This is the review. The water bottle I'm reviewing is the 21-ounce bottle. However, it also comes in 17 ounces and a 24 ounce as well, as Hidrate presents you with choices. And those choices also extend to the lid. You can either get a straw lid, which I originally unboxed, or you could get the chug lid. The reason why I switched them out is because the one I had before, the puck stopped working, and as a result I had to go to Amazon, buy a whole new one. Hidrate ultimately did send me a new puck, but that's besides the point. I just went ahead and decided to buy a whole new one. The stainless steel bottle is great for keeping that water cool while you work out, or you're just doing work at your desk, or whatever you're doing, whether you're doing outside work or whatever the case may be. As for me, I use this water bottle when I work out at the gym, also while I'm doing any gaming or any personal task. On the bottom you have a glossy bottom fourth, which houses the LED light and allows it to shine through. The rest of it has this matte finish to it, and it's really nice to hold. It actually feels considerably good. I mean, you could feel it right here as I'm just sort of rubbing it, and it's got this really nice matte black, and it's nice and solid as well. The LED light shines through when you fill the water bottle up or after you take a drink. Also, it is important that after you take a sip or after you fill up your water bottle, that you put the bottle on a flat surface to allow the bottle to either sink or calibrate depending upon what you did. So if, let's say, I took a sip, it's important for me to put the water bottle down on a flat surface to allow it to sync up with the app. And if I filled it up, it's important to put the bottle on a flat surface in order for the bottle to calibrate. It also lights up every so often to remind you to take a drink. Now, if you do drink bedside, it will not light up. And the reason being is because it's at night, and of course you don't want that light to be shining. That said, it only lights up when you actually do drink. It won't light up to remind you to drink because of course you're sleeping. Of course, you can change the different colors inside the app. You can even buy some colors that you desire if you want to. Of course, as I mentioned earlier in the video, the puck lights up so that this way it could sync up the data. And the way it works is that once it lights up, that means that the data is now officially stored in that puck. And once that puck has that data, it could then sync up to the app. And it's important that every 2 days you open the app, because the puck can only hold about 2 days worth of data. And once the 2 days are up, that data is gone for good. Pairing is relatively painless. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through the setup process real quickly. So first things first, we're going to come into the app and we're going to press no bottle, and then we're going to tap connect to bottle. Now it's going to tell us to remember to keep the bottle empty while it calibrates. It's going to be searching for the bottle. So now once the bottle is found, we're going to press next. Now I'm going to select 21 ounce because that's the one that I have. To recalibrate, you need to empty the bottle. It's already emptied. And begin. Press next. I'm going to wait 10 seconds. And now we're going to press next again. And now we're going to fill the bottle. Okay, so now that the bottle is filled, press next, wait 10 seconds, press next again, and done. And now the bottle should be connected. It's still searching for it, and now it's finally connected. Battery life on this thing is amazing. It's 420 milliamp hours. That is the size of the battery. This will last you anywhere between 10 to 14 days, according to Hidrate. And in my testing, I got relatively 13 days, which is really good. And Hidrate, keep doing what you're doing when it comes to battery life. The type of charging it uses isn't micro USB, nor is it USB Type-C. However, it's a pin charging system. So it's got these 2 pins right here in the middle, and it's also got these 2 magnets on the ends. Now you put this on top of the puck, and what will happen is that the puck will start blinking green, indicating that it is charging. And once it's done charging, it will light up a solid green to indicate that it is done charging. Charging from 0 to 100 took about 2.5 hours for me in my personal testing. Okay, I gotta talk about the durability of this bottle. And the reason why is because when I'm at work, a lot of times this bottle will fall, and it will fall on hard surfaces as well. But this bottle has almost never broken. Until recently, when I was at Walmart and I was pushing around a cart and the bottle fell, it developed a really small crack in it, and it's not noticeable until it lights up. But other than that, it's almost as if it's not even there. The app itself is very beautiful. In fact, it has an aqua blue background, which is kind of a daytime background because it has the ocean as well. And it shows the numbers. The numbers stand out really well. It also tells you the precise time you took sips and how much you drank. And also, if you have your phone set in dark mode, it'll show that same scenery, however, during sunset. There's even a small social aspect to this app, which allows you to do challenges with your friends. Also, the app will sync up with apps such as Fitbit, Google Fit, Garmin, Under Armour, and HealthMate. So you can see how much water you were drinking, and you can also see it in those apps as well. Anyway, that's been it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this review. However, I will be starting a vlogging channel, so stay tuned for that. And also follow me on Twitch and Twitter. I haven't been on Twitch as much because I just recently sold my PlayStation 5, so I don't have a console at the moment. Anyway, be sure to like, share, and subscribe as well. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Peace out.